Let's get into some weird news. Do not obey. Weird news. Do not obey. And like I always say, do not obey. Stay woke. The hell. Weird news.
What's up, guys? It's me, Do Not Obey, and let's get into some weird news. Now, Chinese scientists plan to destroy Elon Musk Starlink satellites. Now, Chinese military say that researchers have called for the development of a hard-kill weapon to destroy his satellite systems if it threatens the Chinese national security. A dog door on Mars. Now, the Curiosity rover found a Mars door, some are saying alleged, on May 7th on the east cliffs of the Gale crater, which the rover has been exploring since 2012. An elk, a hunter, and a waterfall. Now, a hunter was able to capture an elk falling down a waterfall while hunting in New Zealand. Guys, check out this video. Well, guys, that is it for Weird News. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not obey. Stay woke. Peace.
Weird news.